We're here at 12142Z. Hi.
Hi, I heard the doorbell ringing.
I think you did. I don't think I've seen you run so fast on this ship before. Hey, so this is our new room, our new cabin.
It is. A little different than the other.
Is it ever? It's okay. So we are comparing this between the lowest level suite and this is the highest category balcony. So in terms of value, I guess it's sort of similar in a way, but boy, is it ever way more narrow. One big difference already, Kirk, I see, is the size of this bed. Remember the one that we just came from?
Yeah, it was an actual king-size bed.
It was an actual king size and you didn't, like you could just sit. This feels very low. And you have this little drawer thing. Does this open?
Yes.
Oh, is that a mattress pad?
Looks like it.
Oh, there's the octopus that always seems to appear everywhere. You got a nice little end table. That'll be convenient for the computer this time. Yeah, and lots of space over here, which I really like.
Yeah, this desk is a lot bigger than the previous room.
Let's see.
The mini fridge is about the same size.
But it's empty.
I know. It's
Now
not stocked.
That's one big difference between being in a suite and Central Sea Terrace. In the suite, we got a fully stocked bar and we got to keep everything.
Again, the control panel for the curtains, the lights, the TVs, it's all the same.
Oh, let's show them the curtain.
So you just hit this button here and voila. Great for when you're laying in bed, that in the mornings you can just open it without getting out of bed.
That's great.
And then to reopen it, hit it, and then you can turn the lights off and on, or the TV.
Sweet. And we have some controls down here. So you have a USB port and you have all the plugs that you need. And then you can call for your room service if you like. What I love about Virgin Voyages is that you always get fresh water in your room and that's replenished twice a day. I believe it would be twice a day still in this category. Nice chair here. Under cabinet lighting, which is really quite nice. And there's our balcony with the standard red hammock. And our TV is a little smaller here. I believe that's what, 43 inches. And it's directly in front of the room. Or sorry, the bed. We have some more controls right here. And this is really convenient for the laptop next to the bed. And more controls along the side.
For the lights.
Well, those are light controls, okay. Oh. Yeah, we're out here on the balcony.
So, because it's a narrower room, it's a bit smaller than the other one. But the chairs are the same, but the table is minuscule compared to the last room.
Yeah, it's nice.
But the hammock is.
You want to test out the hammock? Show everybody how comfy it is?
I don't fall out of it.
And then we have Brittany Ferries over there, which we will be on that ship in, I think, 3 weeks. Right, Kirk?
Also a month and a bit.
Oh, right. It would be October. You look comfy.
Yeah, it's not bad. And it can stretch out, so you can stretch your legs out.
Wish there were two. That's the only downfall, I really think, when you have a hammock that's so comfy and cozy. So I see, Kirk, that you have some storage under the bed here, and
I
then
don't know how you'd use it.
put our suitcase there too. But it looks like a deep shelf.
It's a drawer.
It's a drawer, yeah.
But I don't know how you'd use it with the bed in the way.
Oh, right, because when you configure this back to a couch, then I guess... So you can use the drawer on this side. There's one here too. Let's check out the bathroom. Oh, wait, before I get to the bathroom, I want to show that there's quite a lot of hanger space here. And I do like that they provide you with baskets. So you have a little bit of storage room. And the 2 life vests. Oh, we have 2 shelves as opposed to 3. Actually, if I move the life vests over here, it'd be a little better. Oh boy, these are super narrow. I don't remember it being that narrow. And then you have room down here where we've already accumulated laundry from previous couple days. Now for the big test. Oh boy. So this bathroom is quite small compared to the Seriously suite that we were in, but it does have a lot of storage underneath, which is great. And you have a little opening here where you can put personal items. And the toilet flush. Your towels, some nice lights. Okay, and I like that they have these little, it says makeup, it's just a face cloth with a hand towel. Tiny, tiny sink. It does come with some soap. Okay, and now for the shower. So you have a handheld and you have a rain shower. And you have body wash, you have hair conditioner and shampoo. Glass door. Actually, let me just get in here and I'll just show you that I do fit quite comfortably in here. There's a lot of room. I've got my elbows spaced right out. And you have the shower hook that goes to the side over here. Kirk, is there anything else that
No,
anybody
I
would
think
want
that's
to see?
it. That's the whole room.
Very comfortable. And then you have your token octopus.
No.
And you have some hooks here. Okay. Well, I guess, Kirk.
That's it. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, that's a great tour. Thanks very much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.